Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to upload a PDF to Squarespace so you can link to it from anywhere on your site. First, go to the left sidebar and click on Pages. This opens the Pages panel where you'll see your website's page structure, including a section called Not Linked. In that Not Linked section, look for the plus button and click it. Then choose Link from the options that appear. This opens a link editor pop-up window. This is where we'll actually upload the file. Next, click the gear icon next to the link field. The link editor expands to show several tabs. Click on the File tab. You'll see an Upload File button appear. Click Upload File and select your PDF from your computer. Just make sure the file is 20 megabytes or smaller. That's Squarespace's limit. After a second, the file name appears in a list, which means it's uploaded to your Squarespace storage. Now, select the checkbox next to your file name. You'll see a checkmark appear beside it. This step is important. You need to actively select the file, even though you just uploaded it. Click Save at the bottom of that file selection area. This takes you back to the link editor, and you'll see a URL has been generated. It starts with /s/, and that's your PDF's link. At this point, the file is uploaded and accessible, but I recommend adding a link title before you save. Type something like the name of your PDF, then click Save. This creates a shortcut in your Not Linked menu that makes it easy to grab the URL later. The URL Squarespace generates is what you'll use to link to your PDF from anywhere on your site, text blocks, buttons, images, wherever you want. When visitors click that link, the PDF opens in their browser where they can view it directly or click the download icon to save it. And here's a handy thing: you can delete that link from the Not Linked section later and the file still works, so don't worry about cluttering that menu. If you need to link to this same PDF again in the future, just go back through the File tab and click the file that's already in your list. You don't need to re-upload it. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.